Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the soft boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin'. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of the face. Draw a short angled line. Then curve it out to the left and back in over to the right. Now an S-curve across the top left side, bringing it down close to the cheek. Now add a tall curve at the end to close off this piece of hair. Now on the right, draw a V shape. And then starting from the top, draw a line down to close off the face and extend it past the face just a little bit. Next, let's draw the eyes. Draw an oval shape on the left on top of the hair and color it in black. Then the other eye on the right with a half oval. Let's add the eyebrows next. Draw a short vertical line above the left eye, and then a curve down to the left, and then just thicken it up a little bit. For the other eyebrow, draw a short line down here in the center, and then a line over to the right. Let's draw the mouth next with an upside down curved line. Now let's finish off his hair at the top. Draw a curve down from the top line. Then an S-curve over to the left. And one more curve down to close it off. Let's hop to the bottom right now to add the side piece of hair. Draw a curved point out to the right, and then a curve back up. Next, add the ear to the right with a triangle shape. And then add another smaller triangle inside. Now a curve across from the eye to the ear for the bottom of the hat. Let's draw the hat next. From the top left, draw a bent line up. And then a large curve over to the right, dipping it down. Next, add a large bent curve to the right. Then continue this line down and curve it into the ear. To finish off the hat, let's add some details. Draw 3 ovals on the hat here. Then curved lines connecting the top two. Let's draw the body next, starting with the right arm. Draw 2 curved lines down on the right side like this. Then angled bent lines on each side. And then curved lines. Next, in between these lines, draw 2 angled lines down. Finish off the sides of the sleeves with lines inwards on both sides. Next, close off the sleeve with a curved shape across the arm like this. And color each of the small sections in black. Next, draw a curved line from the ear down for the hoodie. And then add a bent line inside. Let's draw the front of his shirt next. From his chin, draw an angled line down to the left. Then square it off at the bottom with an L shape. Now draw a small S curve down and then continue it to the right arm for the bottom of the shirt. Next, let's draw the caution logo on his shirt. Start with the outline of a triangle shape here. And then an exclamation mark inside. Let's draw the drawstrings of his hoodie next. Draw a thick line down and then add a black circle at the bottom. And then another shorter one on the right. Let's draw the pocket on the hoodie next. Start with 2 curved lines, making the right one shorter. And then a line across the top. Next, under the right arm, let's draw a zigzag M line. Then a curved V shape underneath. Let's draw the right shoe now. Start with a bent line out to the left. And then a curve on the right. Now an open rectangular shape out to the left. Next, under the shape, draw a V shape down. Then finish off the shape of the shoe with a curved line like this. Let's add the sole of the shoe next. Draw an angled bent line on the right. And then a curve across the bottom of the shoe. Let's add some details to the shoe now. Draw some shapes on the top sides and color them in black. Next, draw the laces with 2 loops and then lines inside. Then draw 2 lines down with black circles at the ends. Lastly, add 3 curved lines across the top of the shoe. Let's finish off the pants and the other shoe next. Draw a curved line in the middle here for the pant leg. Then a pointed line on the left. Next, add a curved line under for the tongue of the shoe. And add one more curve here to close off the pants. Now let's finish off the tongue with curved lines in on both sides. Then draw the shape of the shoe out to the left like this. Now add the sole under. Next, draw the laces in a similar way as the other shoe. And lastly, a black circle in the back. Let's draw the other arm and hand now. Draw a curved line between the face and the shirt here. Then color the section in black. Next, draw the thumb with 2 bumps next to the cheek and behind the hair. And then add 2 more curved lines between the thumb and the shirt. Next, draw 3 fingers here like this. And then close off the back of the hand with a stepped line down. Lastly, let's draw the paintbrush in his hand. Draw 2 small lines on top of the hand. And then a curve across the top. Now add 1 more curve inside. Next, draw an S-curve on the left. And then from the right side, a long curve up and out to the left. Close it off with a V shape now. And lastly, add some detailed lines inside. That's it for the soft boyfriend. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.